Zhaoqing, a city on the drainage basin of the Xinjiang in China. As early as 1582 AD, the Italian missionary Matteo Ricci arrived in this city and brought Western doctrine and civilization to China. Zhaoqing City No. 2 Polishing Factory is located in this open and cooperative city. The company has been engaged in the production of metal utensils since 1966. Due to its excellent geographical location and advanced concept, it is the first batch of Chinese manufacturers to introduce advanced machinery from Europe, Asia, etc. After decades of standard production are widely used in Chinese utensil manufacture, accumulating technical experience, those perfect talented workers, decades of experienced engineers, and young professions who just enter the industry. They can see the history in the equipment of the factory and see the precision machinery from various European countries. They can see the most mainstream and advanced machine tools in the world today as well. This is a Chinese family's tribute to the industrial era and deep love for machinery and equipment. The team, led by CEO Chen, started from understanding the essence of mechanical manufacturing, providing customers with the most high-precision manufacturing equipment to ensure their safe and efficient production capacity. The equipment products of the company are mainly polishing machines. To meet the market demands, it has been developed and launched automatic drawing lines for metal utensils, washing lines, laser cutting machines, and processing centers. Recently, a 700 meters exhibition hall has been added, with more than 10 million yuan worth equipments and products. Not only can let the buyer before buying with a clear understanding of the equipment, but also convenient with the buyer online installation of equipment, training and maintenance. At present, the partnership between Mostro CEO Timson and Chen Guan, General Manager of Zhaoqing City No. 2 Polishing Factory, has been further strengthened. Since the linear atomic polishing line and spinning machine, intelligent punching machine, special shaped processing polishing machine, which are developed by Zhaoqing City No. 2 Polishing Factory, have been sold to 38 countries. We not only provide high-quality consulting services to customers, but also provides integrated purchase and installation process. From the single machine and type of trimming machine, including the integrated automatic production line, to meet the needs of different buyers, each piece of equipment can help you achieve your dream of manufacturing, which is a proof of your strength. At the same time, friends and customers from all over the world may know and learn more detailed technical solutions through Mostro Company. What's more, there will be dedicated online consulting services. We are always ready to solve all your problems in the after-sales purchase.